Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Monster Hunter World. This is going to be part 3 of the series. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's see. I talked to her.
Oh, you are too good to me.
Okay, let's get this expedition underway. Meet me
Yeah,
at
I
the
don't
gate.
need to.
Right now, we're in Astera. If you want to go on an expedition, open your world map and choose your destination. For this
Bet.
expedition, we need to head to the ancient forest.
Okay.
We can expand expeditions as we delve further into the new world.
Okay.
Pretty good incentive to explore, right?
Sometimes it takes a while to start off in these games, especially Monster Hunter. I feel like it takes a long time before they actually let you do you know. What does she want? Say, like, you don't really need to explain that.
Nothing can stop. Let's look
Alright,
for the
let's find a
campsite.
campsite. I guess there's no real rush as long as we're not out here. We may as well
If I
have a
get to
good
the
look around.
campsite first, or if you're lost, open up your map or use your scout flies to track me.
But I think after this mission, everything should be more smooth. And I should be able. Yep. That's our resident fishing master. You won't find a better angler around.
Howdy.
Other members of the field team are on expeditions as well. Say hello if you want to. Say hello to them if you happen to see them. Howdy, Hunter. How's this? Cooking. Gotta say, there's no better way to spend the day than fishing. I'm the lucky guy the commission has put in charge of studying fish and fish-like creatures here in the New World. Well, let me tell you, I love fishing. I live for it. I fish in my sleep. I sleep with. Oh shit, bro, a freak. Bro, sleeping with fish. I'd already caught all the old world's fish, every last one. So when they offered me a job here, I accepted hook, line, and sinker. Anywho, my life here can't be all work, so I've been looking for a chum who loves the lure as much as I do. What do you say, Hunter? Are you game? If you're interested, just give me a holler. I'd like to see what you're made of. Fishing, huh? I do love fishing in real life, so fuck it.
Fishing.
I just love me some good fishing, son. Yep. Let's see you do it. You'll find them at the fishing spot as long as you've got the talent, but this shouldn't be a hard fish to reel in. A pink Paraxis. It's just too easy, bro. Just too easy. What's that fishing around? I don't got one. Oh shit, how you reeling? Oh. B. I got him right here, watch. Pink Paraxis. I saw something pink swimming that way, so fuck it. Oh, something's coming. What is this? Burst Arowanus. That's such a weird name for a fish. Ooh, that's pink. That's pink. Might be it. Oh, no, I need the one right there. Nah. Nah. I need this one right here, right here. I'm assuming it's pink, right? It has to be pink. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? Where is this guy at, yo? Ooh, there's a big one. There he goes. How do you? Okay.
Nice catch.
When you return to Astera, would you mind reporting to the resource center? You've got potential, you do. Well, thank you. I am one of the best fishers in town. Tarzan up in this? We Tarzan. Like all the stuff you can. That's our resident capture expert. She's master at while capturing things. Maybe she'll give you hints on capturing creatures. Well, hi there. Fancy meeting someone new on your head house. I'm the editor. Oh, goody, you already made up your mind to help me. I knew I tapped the right hunter for the job. To start things off, could you take a look around here and capture me a woodland? I'm not even gonna try to say that. They look sort of like prehistoric birds. Watching them glide effortlessly from tree to tree is just The darlings are little bundles of joy, and I've just got too many. And I just got to have one of my own to observe, please and thanks, sister.
Well now,
Okay. Get my capture net. Oh, it's right. Oh. Where'd he go? Ooh, in the air, bro. Yes, sir. You ain't slick.
Thanks.
He captured him with limpet. Perix for me. Thanks. I'll be sure to study it extra carefully. Just watch your head if you decide to let it fly around you. Only our insurance will cover any mid-air collisions. Oh, and don't forget to report to the resource centers when you return to the store. Alright, it's bird researching time. Yeah. Oh shit. Kulu-Ya-Ku. Oh, Kulu-Ya-Ku. Man, bro, nervous?
Well, if we don't take care of that pest,
The camp won't last a night.
Oh yeah.
That's Kulu-Ya-Ku. Bird brain bandit. Looks like we're on the hunt, huh? Yes, yes. I can almost see him. Oh, what do you know? Nah, I'm just kidding. Like Patrick in that one episode. Is it Patrick? Oh, hold up. I was trying to get that sliding thing, but I failed miserably. Hey, yo. Where are you going? Why are you running?
dodge their attacks. You don't want to take hits like that head on.
Oh!
Assign a target destination for your scout flies on the map.
Run!
Hey, partner!
Clear the area! Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Wait, how can I jump off this? How can I jump off this? I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm so dead! Run! No way. No way Pink T-Rex is coming after me. Dead ass! What did I ever do to you? Just keep running. Just keep running. Evacuate. Evacuate. Sound to retreat. Jesus, bro. That was close as shit. Oh, what are you... Oh, what is he doing? Oh, he's eating. What do you know? We gotta rotate. Head on. Spawn head on. Oh, I see him. Ooh, that was good. I missed the opportunity. Wasn't really in a good spot anyways. Why is he like glitching, bro? Ah! Wrong direction. I don't have any. I don't have any. Ah, wow, I just wasted stamina. That'd been perfect. Shit, I forgot I wasted it. After him. Get him, get him. Where's he at? Ah. Ah. Wait, what's that? I know that ain't who I think it is. No, no. What? You're crazy. What the fuck is... That chicken's crazy, bro. That portal is local. Ah, shit. Oh, went after his apex predator. He's crazy.
Hitting a monster flying into a wall will leave it wide open to attack.
Bam! Fuck him up. Give me that tail. Wait, where am I going? Oh, he's weak, he's weak. After him. Ah. Now get out the way, bro. Where'd he go? Really? What is he doing? I think he's almost dead. Piercing pod. Alright, this is enough to kill him. Chase him, chase him! No mercy. I'm on his tail. There we go. Rest in peace.
Select Astera from the world map so we can go home.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. That was kind of clean. I ain't gonna lie. That was a clean little kill. Now that I have your attention, I have something special just for you. And that job is to get us an apple supply of mega potions. A hunter of your caliber should know how important they are to any of us. I said that we're in a short supply and we need someone to help us refill our stocks. Plus, it wouldn't hurt for you to revisit the basics of crafting every now and then,
Come
no?
back soon.
So please be a good sport about this and help us out. We're counting on you. Hey, who said I was gonna take it? Forcing labor on me is crazy, I ain't gonna lie.
Magnifique.
Look at how useful you are. I can tell you are quick to adapt. Good. Keep it up. I might have a few jobs of my own for you to take. Oh shit, what you trying to get into? Okay, tell me about what you found. Yep.
You've Done well.
Nice work clearing out the camp. I knew you'd come through, and now we're finally ready. Alright, Hunter, the Pukei-Pukei hunt is on. Once you've hunted a target, the scholar will be able to get a closer look at the evidence you found. I cannot stress enough how vital taking out the Pukei-Pukei is for the commission. This could be the break we've been waiting for.
We're the ones to get it done.
Good luck and be careful. Bad say
The
less.
5th has an urgent mission. Partner, you'd better come see me.
Hey there.
Looks like we're gonna separate. Good luck out there. Thank you. And by time, I need you to mentor me every single step of the way. Respect, though. Don't forget I'm an elite hunter too. Muscular chef. I need to eat, bro. Ain't no challenger's platter. Ain't no platter of the day, bro. Give me some. Get some fish. Courageous eel. Sounds like something I'd eat. And give me some plumpkin, sir. There we go. I don't even know what this is gonna give me, but whatever. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't look like no eel. But then again, this is a different world. Hey, who said you could get some, bruh? Damn.
Hey there, partner.
Alright, partner, time for us to do a Pukei-Pukei hunting. Once we've done that, the scholars go and check out the swag, see if we can't from the door magnet ross. But seriously, what other monster could it have come from? I mean, I'm a no scholar, but smoldering lava rock, hello. Girl, shut up. Leave the research to the researchers, and you stay there. What do you be doing, anyways? You just be eating. How you can disrespect the scholars like that, bro? They're scholars for a reason. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
The Pukei-Pukei prefers a plant-based diet. It's a pig! It's the Pukei-Pukei! Ah, that would have been clean if I would have started off like that. Ah! It's him again! Run! Oh, he's not coming, he's not coming. I can't see shit.
Okay,
Ooh, yay. That was kind of clean. Ah! Get him, get him! Fucking him up. Hey! Oh no. Sound the alarm, retreat! Really? But they're not gonna fight each other? Ain't no way. Why does it have to be? Why does he hate me? I'm dead. I'm so dead. Why did I jump? Relax, T-Rex. That's never that deep. Sound the alarm. Sound the alarm. Why is that T-Rex on my stuff though, bro? What'd I ever do to him for real? Ah! frontier, but whatever. Oh, I actually did.
With all you've got.
Give me that tail. Give me it. Yes, sir. Give me that tail. Come here. Ah, I'm poisoned.
Gradually drop. Use an antidote as soon as possible.
Antidote. He's relentless. I don't even have antidotes. Oh, I do. You didn't even gotta tell him more. Ah. Slice my dice. Yes, sir. We're tearing them up. Oh, he's mad. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad.
Monster's been immobilized. Now's your chance.
Wait, how are you watching me? Give me that champ. Hey, we're messing them up. We are messing them up. This dude right here, bro. We're on the hunt. Man, it's on site, he said. Put that nasty tongue up. What? Oh, so now you're cheating. Give me that chance. Fuck him up, guys. Fuck him up. Oh shit, my fault. Nah, you're not going anywhere. Damn!
Monster's trapped in the vines.
Fuck them up, guys. It's a team effort. Oh, he lucky I'm tired. Fuck him up. Don't let him give up. Don't let him get up. Don't let him get up. Yes, sir.
You did it! Now the commander can send someone out to see if that slag will lead us to Zora Matrix.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna need that. Now back up, guys. I gotta harvest. Wait. Where you go? Gotta get my spoils. Thanks for the help. We just jumped the dude, but it's alright. We did what we had to do. Oh my god, not Pink T-Rex. No! No, 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 no. No, 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 I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, we're good.
You've done well.
Excellent work putting down that Pukei-Pukei. I need to put the task in the right hands. Just to catch you up, we're hot on the trail of
Listen up.
now, but there's more to figure out. I need to fit to protect our scholars while they investigate. I'm putting you in charge of the Wild Spireways. The quest will begin once you've convened on site.
All
Say
right,
less.
it's time to begin the Elder Dragon investigation. Make sure you know what you need to do.
So now we need to protect the scholars. Let's regroup at the Wildspire Waste.
Okay. Alright, that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe.